Sure, here are 50 interesting facts about parrots. 1. Parrots are part of the order Psittaciformes, which includes around 393 species. 2. They are known for their vibrant colors and striking plumage. 3. Some species, like the African gray parrot, are exceptional mimics, capable of imitating human speech and sounds. 4. Parrots have curved beaks that help them crack nuts and seeds. 5. Many parrots can live for over 50 years in captivity. 6. The largest parrot species is the hyacinth macaw, which can grow up to 3.3 feet long. 7. Parrots have zygodactyl feet, meaning they have two toes facing forward and to backward to grasp branches. 8. They are highly social birds and often live in flocks in the wild. 9. Parrots can eat a variety of foods, including fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds. 10. Their tongues are muscular and help them manipulate food and produce sounds. 11. Some species of parrots can recognize themselves in mirrors, indicating self-awareness. 12. Parrots can become very attached to their human companions, often forming strong bonds. 13. The kakapo, native to New Zealand, is the world's only flightless parrot. 14. Parrots communicate using a wide range of vocalizations and body language. 15. The blue and yellow macaw is known for its playful personality and intelligence. 16. Parrots have excellent eyesight and can see a wide array of colors than humans. 17. They require mental stimulation and can develop behavioral issues if bored. 18. Some parrots, like the eclectus, exhibit sexual dimorphism, where males and females have different colors. 19. Parrots are believed to have originated in Australia and South America. 20. The Amazon parrot is known for its ability to learn and mimic human phrases. 21. Iguanas and parrots can be found in the same habitat, but they often keep their distance. 22. Parrots can be trained to perform tricks and tasks, making them popular pets. 23. The Quaker parrot is known for its charming vocalizations and playful disposition. 24. Parrots usually mate for life and display courtship behaviors. 25. The lovebird, a small parrot species, is famous for its affectionate nature. 26. Some parrot species, such as the monk parakeet, build large communal nests. 27. Parrots are found in tropical and subtropical regions around the world. 28. The sun conure is known for its bright yellow and orange plumage. 29. In the wild, parrots help maintain the ecosystem by dispersing seeds. 30. The cockatoo is noted for its distinctive crest feathers. 31. Parrots can experience mood swings and can get jealous of other pets. 32. The red-shouldered macaw is a small, colorful species native to South America. 33. Parrots need a varied diet. Seeds alone do not provide all the nutrients they need. 34. 37. Some parrots can even learn simple melodies or phrases through repetition. 38. The parrot's respiratory system is highly efficient, allowing them to breathe easily even when flying. 39. Many parrot species are threatened due to habitat loss and the pet trade. 40. The budgerigar, or budgie, is one of the most popular pet birds worldwide. 41. Parrots use their beaks for grooming their feathers, which is vital for maintaining insulation and waterproofing. 42. The orange-fronted parakeet is one of the rarest parrot species, found only in parts of New Zealand. 43. Some parrot species have developed tools to help them obtain food. 44. The African gray parrot is famous for its exceptional intelligence and understanding of concepts. 45. Parrots have a strong sense of loyalty and can become upset if their routine is disrupted. 46. The Amazons can live up to 40 to 50 years, making them long-term companions. 47. Parrots have a very rich social life and enjoy interacting with other birds. 48. The melting of tropical forests is one of the biggest threats faced by parrots today. 49. The Senegal parrot is known for its playful and entertaining behavior. 50. In some cultures, parrots are symbols of wisdom and communication. Enjoy learning more about these fascinating birds.